Tubeway's large extrusion range includes double and single sliding tracks. We manufacture and stock these at our Ipswich factory in a range of colours and sizes, and they're used for cabinets, wardrobes, cupboards and vivariums, amongst other things. There are three types of double track. The T-centre leg has built-in spacing so that doors with fittings on them, such as protruding handles, can still pass each other. This is ideal for MDF, board or plywood type doors. Sizes stocked are from 19mm track width down to 6mm, with various common sizes in between. The straight centre leg allows the doors to pass very closely, which is better for glass, for example preventing small reptiles escaping from a vivarium or dust getting into a cabinet. Sizes stocked are for 6, 4 and 3mm glass or panel thickness, and the bottom track will generally have a small raised runner within it to prevent dust or grit interfering with the sliding action. Vivarium Runners have the additional feature of clip-on legs to make installation simpler and neater. All of our double track comes in matching pairs of tops and bottoms. The top track is deeper, enabling the door to be pushed in and up, then dropped into the shallower bottom track, but still be enclosed by the top track walls. This enables the tracks to be installed before putting the doors in, which can then be removed if required. I'll show you this briefly using a small track glaze model. Take the panel, push it up and in, take it over the lip of the bottom track and place it in the correct channel. It should then slide safely and easily. There are diagrams to illustrate this sequence at the end of the video. Single sliding track is also available in sizes from 17.5mm to 4mm. This will generally have thick parallel walls and also comes in deeper top and shallower bottom sections. Both double and single track tops and bottoms can be bought in separate stock packs. In addition to the clip-on versions, they can be stuck down using double-sided tape, which Tubeway can also supply, although the wider tracks can be screwed down, provided the screw head is countersunk below track level. Production runs are possible in your colour choice, for stock sizes or from our range of additional tooling. Check out our website tubewayextrusions.com for pack, colour, tooling and price details, or call our sales team during normal working hours on 01473 251 051. Thanks for watching.